Hi, today let's make crispy and tasty chicken cheese balls. Very simple to make. First you need to take chicken breast which have been boiled with salt and turmeric powder. Add it to the chopper along with some garlic cloves and green chilies and blend it into a smooth mixture like this. Now add this mixture to a bowl. Add in some salt to taste extra. Check for the salt because it's already boiled and it's added previously while boiling. Now I'm adding in some pepper powder, adding lots of fresh coriander leaves and mix it and keep it ready. Now let's make the chicken balls, for which I've taken some mozzarella cheese. Here take the chicken mixture. First grease the hand so that it's easy to make the chicken balls. Add in some chicken mixture. Fill it up with some mozzarella cheese and again bind it together. There's no particular or the right kind of shape which you would need. Just press it and make it into a round balls and keep it aside. Repeat the same for all the mixture remaining. And then now let's fry it. For that, before frying, you need to take some egg, breadcrumbs and flour. Now take the chicken balls, dip it in the egg, then dip it in the flour, and then again what you need to do is again dip it in the egg mixture again, and then roll it over the breadcrumbs. Now repeat the same for all the remaining chicken balls. So this recipe doesn't take long, just the chicken needs to boil and then that's it. Once the oil has heated, slowly place the chicken balls one by one into the oil. Now this needs to be cooked in the medium heat because the chicken is already cooked and the breadcrumbs might turn black, so we need it to be crispy and nice and brown. So after a minute, just what you can do is you can start flipping over the chicken balls. It's a very simple, very quick and easy recipe. If you have guests coming home, kids will love this recipe. You will love this recipe. Very simple to make. Trust me, I would suggest you trying this at least once and let me know your feedback on the comments. The measurement and the description are on the screen. Look at the color. Now the chicken balls are ready to be dished out. This is the crispiness or the color which we are aiming at. You can serve it with a choice of your sauce. If you can like mayonnaise as well, you can serve it. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll show you how one of the chicken balls looks. So I'm just taking one of them and opening it. You can see the mozzarella cheese inside it. If you don't have mozzarella cheese, you can add in any cheese of your choice. Completely up to you. If you don't like cheese, skip it. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy.